An air rocket goes straight up, then falls back to the Earth, remaining in the air for a total of 6.32 seconds. So this is just like we're going to do this. We'll launch these air rockets up. They'll go up, they'll come down, right? And this total time is 6.32. So I'm going to say that it took 3.16 seconds to go up and 3.16 seconds to go down. All right. That devilry, by the way, was 6.32 divided by 2, because it's the same elevation, right? So it spends half the time going up, half the time going down. So that's how you do that, right? And now we can go from the ground to the top, right? What do we know? The final velocity at the top is 0, right? Because it's at the top. Right? The initial velocity, we don't know. X, we don't know. Oh, hey, we do know some things though. So negative 9.8, and then this is 3.16. Okay. I think the thing to do is to use no x to find VI. So let's do that first. Oh, wait, that's all we have to do, because it just says what is the initial velocity. So let's go. So for VI, we're just going to use this guy. VF is VI plus AT. Okay, so final velocity is 0. That equals VI. We'd like to find that, right? Plus negative 9.8 times 3.16. Okay, so VI ends up being 30.968. Now, notice I'm sort of writing 3 digits here. If you round this to 3 figures, you'd actually say it has to be 31.0. Because you look at this place and you're like, I have to round that. Well, I'm not going to round down, so I'm going to round up. But anyway, there you go. That's the answer. And this is the typical question, right? It's just like, what's this, right? Okay.